good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
Elsinore Point. As you can see behind us, it's a beautiful view. They didn't want to stop by here, but I was like, we have to. Look at this. We're going right now over here. I said, oh, I have to get a picture over there. Super nice. Super. So I came from over there. There they are right there. See them? Zoom in. Let's make sure there's nothing in this. Look how cool this area is. So, just checked out that lookout point. Pretty cool. See, more stuff to offer near San Diego. Never been here before, but it's nice. We just parked. This is the parking for Ortega Falls. I better see some falls. So right now we're at Ortega Falls. It's a little bit a ways from San Diego, maybe an hour. Since it's been raining, they're promising me some waterfall.
Let's see. Waterfall.
You hear that? You guys hear that? What? Oh, I hear it. I hear the waterfall. Hell yeah. Let's see if they can get down in one piece.
Running shoes, not hiking shoes. That's a string.
Karina, you okay?
Leave me alone.
Ooh, I hear it. I hear it. Let's see.
I hear it.
Is it over there?
Hi guys.
Now let's see these girls get down. Where do you want to go?
Over there.
She wants to go where? Over there. There. Oh, it is cold. Hey, put your feet in there. Okay, go. I think there's more. I'm holding you. Go. No, go! I'm holding you. I promise I won't let you go. Ooh. Give me your phone. Careful, okay? Don't go all the way over there. just at Ortega Falls.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. First he said he wanted to go home. Then he's like, let's go again. Did you give it 2 thumbs up?
Give
Let me
it
see this.
3 thumbs up.
3?
3.
Where's your
third
thumbs
one?
up? Let's see yours. All right.
Everybody was kung